Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to hear about one of the best ways to diversify your portfolio in order that if you want to invest in a specific concept but you don't want to put all your money in risk in only one coin, and you can actually diversify and invest in multiple coins in one investment and actually increase your chances to succeed, that even if one coin will drop, most of the coins will go up and then your investment will grow. Make sure to watch till the end, because in this video we'll learn how to do exactly that. Please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So welcome to Mudrex. So as you all know, investing in crypto can be overwhelming and full of unknowns, and Mudrex simplifies this by offering products that crafted by successful traders and experts to help you start in a simplified and smart manner. Now, I think that it's kind of like a futuristic index funds with much better benefits, but this is the main idea, and you will see in a minute what is it exactly. And I see it as something that looks like a futuristic advanced index funds, but that can explode and help you to get much more of the average market growth. So if you want to get started, of course that you need to log in, and then you can click on invest. And when you will click on invest, you will see that you have different products that you can actually choose, and with this, each one of them, so you will be able to choose the one that works the best for you. And it doesn't mean that you will choose especially the one with the highest return, but actually maybe it will be a great idea to invest in the products that includes the coins that you believe the most. Because let's say that, for example, you truly believe in the metaverse, so maybe you will be able to, instead of just purchasing one coin, you will be able to invest in here, and that way you will have a much more diversified portfolio. And coin sets are doing for you exactly that. So as you can see that, for example, in here you have several coins that you can actually choose, and coin sets allow you to easily diversify your crypto investments, first of all across a theme or for a better returns in the market. So as I said, for example, believe on the metaverse for the long term, so by using this one and not just investing in one coin, it will actually help you to increase the chances that you will be able to invest and succeed. And in the other hand, you will also reduce the chance that you actually lose, because let's say that even if one coin is going down in a specific amount of time, the other ones actually can outperform it, and that way it's like an index fund that actually one company affects on the other, and actually they are backing each other's up if one is working less good in a specific time. Now, Mudrex coin sets is a basket of crypto tokens that are based on a theme and invest in ideas that you believe in, but in general, all the coins are in the same theme, or at least in the same idea or in the same concept. Whether it's this, all the products are connected to, all the coins in each product are connected to the same concept. So let's say smart contract platform, so you also have Ethereum, you can find your ADA, DOT, Solana, and much more. And if it's connected to Web3, so as you can see, you can find here Link, Theta, and much more coins. So, or if it's the coins of the best exchanges, you have, for example, the coin of Binance, which is BNB. You have also Uni, you have also Cake, and etc. And actually now the monthly fee is actually free. So if you want to get started, all you need is to actually click on allocate funds and then to transfer your wallet, and I will show you in a minute how you do that, and that way to take the opportunity to invest as fast as possible and to use this time of the market that is currently very low. So you will have the opportunity in here to buy in very attractive prices the coins that have a future for the long term. So one of the best tips that almost every great investor will tell you is that you should invest in ideas that you believe in and that will grow your wealth in the long run. And you can find ideas that you believe in by actually learning. So make sure that before you invest, make sure that you study and understand which products are including. So let's say, for example, if it's in the metaverse, read about it before you consider to invest. And that way you will have a much better understanding of your potential profits and which product will work the best for you in order to make the highest profits, and also to have the possibility to grow your wealth for the long term. And as you can see in here, it's absolutely passively. You just invest and that's it. It's just doing this for you. And as you can see that, for example, the smart contract platform, if you're looking on the yearly return, they made more than 1800%. And if you will look, for example, on the metaverse coins, so they made a return yearly of over 3100%, which is incredible. And also, even though currently the market is very low, they are still in enormous profit. So if you're interested in metaverse, consider to go to mudrex.com by clicking the link down below and actually get started. Now, there are different types of coin sets, as you saw, and all made by experts and will be rebalanced monthly based on the market conditions. And the minimum investment is only just $10. So if you want to get started and you're a beginner and you're on a low budget and you want to have a big budget in the future, consider to use one of their product. And currently coin sets are free to use. There are no investment fees, as you saw, and you can see that in all of their product currently they don't have any investments fees, which is great because it's a very big barrier and it's a big thing that usually a lot of people take into consideration when they're thinking on which market they're choosing to invest, because the fees are in some blockchains are very, very brutal, would actually reduce the amount that you can earn and your yearly compound interest because you just paid for the blockchain about the fees. So for example, NFTs is something that is currently growing and it's really just the beginning. Like, as you probably saw a lot of videos of Gary Vee that is talking about that NFTs is just in the beginning, and we talked a lot about different projects and different options and why you should consider invest. So I'll show you an example. So let's say that I want to invest in the metaverse. All I need to do, of course, that I need to log in and to connect my wallet and to transfer it here. But if it's my first investment, I need to click on allocate funds, and then I enter the amount. I can enter a different percentage or I enter the maximum. So for example, if I want to enter the maximum, which is currently what I have in the account, which is 610 USDT, then I click on next. Then as you can see, I don't need to pay fees, and then I click on allocate funds. And as you can see that the allocation request was submitted and my allocation is going to be processed, and it usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases it takes up to 2 hours. So we'll wait, and when it will work, I will show you that everything is working properly. By the way, if you want to connect your exchange to here, all you need is to click on connect exchange, and that way you will be able to connect. So for example, you can connect your exchange on Coinbase Pro, and that way you can make the transaction. It's very simple. For example, this is my wallet. So if you want to see the different assets that you currently have, so you can see in here. So as you can see, I can find the different coin sets that I have. Currently I have only one coin sets because I invested all the funds that I had in the metaverse coin set. And as you can see in here that I have invested $610 in here. And while I'm clicking on it, so I can see what I currently have and what returns I currently have, but because it's only 4 minutes, so I don't, but it will be in the future. And as you can see in here that if I want, after I invested once, I can actually click on add funds, and then I can add any fund that I want, and that way I can actually keep going. Now, another great concept that you can do in here is actually you can calculate returns. And as you can see that, let's say that you made the total investment of $10,000. So you can actually see the different current value, the invested value, and the potential returns. And you can actually see, let's say that you invested 12 months ago. So you can see that this is what the return that you had. But if you invested just 3 months ago, so you made 97.16%, which is also incredible if you're comparing it to the growth of an average S&P 500 or an average index fund. So now coin sets, in simple words, is one investment, multiple currencies. With much crypto out there, they are hard pressed to find the overnight success story. So why to limit your chances to succeed? Mudrex actually expert curated coin sets that are based on a common theme, so you can diversify across a whole bundle of crypto in one go. And once you have, you can just leave them to work for you. Now, Mudrex automatically rebalances them, so your investment are always adapting in line with the market. So better still, you can invest in coin sets without paying any fees, so for a short time only. So if you're interested, make sure to go by clicking the link down below right now, because it won't last forever, and you can actually start diversifying your crypto with Mudrex, because as you saw, it's very easy to do that. All you need is to click on invest after you log in, and then you can actually see all the coin sets. And as I said, one of the most important tips in investing in coin sets and in general in crypto is to understand the main concept of the project. If you're interested to invest in a specific coin set, it's awesome to look on the returns, but also make sure to look on the main concept and to understand it, and to look if it has a good potential to grow for the long term, and if it has strong investors as well. So for example, for the metaverse, as you can see that it has more than 2,300 investors. So it might be a coin set that it will be smart to look at. Now, bonus tip, you can actually use the referral, as you can see in here, and actually share your own link while you log in. And when you actually, when a friend joins, and he can actually get $25 credit. And once your friends will invest, they will take fees from them, and you will get 50% of the fee that they take for the first 3 months, which it's a great way to make some money. So if you're interested, make sure to do that as fast as possible. So for summary, if you want to take part of this incredible tool of Mudrex and to diversify your portfolio and to increase your chances to succeed by investing in a concept and not just in one project, make sure to go to Mudrex, understand this incredible tool, and to start using it as fast as possible, and to start learning how to use it to your own benefit to build your long-time wealth. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.